Topic 7. What is a love country? Why do I love my country? Do not a hundred answers present themselves to me on the instant. I love my country because of the soil in which I was born, the language I speak, the books that educate me, because of my brother, my sister, my comrades, the great people among whom I live, and the beautiful nature which surrounds me, and all that I see, that I love, that mine belongs to my native land. Ordinarily, we cannot Ordinarily, we cannot feel that affection to the goal, which will when returning from a long journey after a prolonged absence, and seeing in the morning horizon the lofty blue mountains of our country, which will when the impetuous blood of tenderness desires with this and breasts the flood of joy, which will in some foreign land, in the impulse of the soul which will draw us from the strange throng towards the workman from whom we have heard, in passing, a few words in our own tongue, which will in the sad, of the angel which will drive the blood to our brow, when we hear in sound to our country along the mouth of a stranger, which will in more ground and vigorous measure on the day when the manners of hot time race, so comfort the tempest of fire upon our country, and when we behold dawns breaking on every side, youths thronging in legions, and promising conquer, which will like joy driven, if we have a good fortune to behold the re-entrance to our banners torn by bullets, followed by a vast convoy of brave fellows bearing their bandaged heads and their somerset arms loftily amid the quiet throng, we cover them with flowers and sonorous blessings. Then we shall comprehend the love of country. It is a grand and secret thing.